Hey class, yesterday we did this 2.2 mixed distribution drag and drop in Schoology. I hope that went well for you. This is the first time we've tried a drag and drop within Schoology. I'm going to go over some of these questions and answers with you and see how you did. I'm going to do the math and rewrite our combining here. You just have to drag and drop into that spot. When we are distributing, we are sharing the -3 here by multiplying it by everything in the parentheses. So first we use a rainbow. -3 times -8, I'll write that here. Then I also need to share through multiplying, distribute the -3 to the -4. This whole piece is the number. When I do that, then I combine them. -3 times -8x is 24x. The two negatives make a positive. Here the two negatives also make a positive. -3 times -4 is positive 12. So I would reach down here, see if I can find the drag and drop, 24x plus 12, and move that up to the top. Let's look at one more. We're going to do number 10. Now in doing number 10, we got to think through the order of operations. First we do parentheses. So in the parentheses I have -1a minus 2, but I can't put those together, so I need to move down the list. Next comes exponents. There are none. Any multiplication or division? Yes, there is. There's multiplication here when a number is written next to a parenthesis. It means to multiply. I need to remember that this minus symbol belongs to the 4. So this is really -4 times 1a. And notice how I'm using my rainbow or Hail Mary pass here to show the distribution. So I copy my work over here. And then people are forgetting to do this. You need to make sure you distribute the -4 by multiplying it by the -2 because the minus sign belongs to the 2. And I'll bring that information up right here. Now something in today's benchmark, you're going to use the passcode basketball. That way we know you watched the whole video. So now when I combine 4 times -1, I get -4a. That a has to come with it. Then when I combine -4 times -2, two negatives make a positive, and I get 8. So that 8 is positive, so it's going to be +8. And then I need to bring over one more thing, that 9a that was sitting by itself. And I'm going to rewrite it by the 4a because they're both a's. Now I have to put the a's together. A's cannot go with 8. It doesn't have an a. But these two are on the same team. They're wearing the same jerseys. 9a minus 4a is 5a. And then 8 just comes down to be a part of the equation, but it can't go with the a's. And then I should be able to find that answer on here. There it is. So I would move that up into that spot. There you go. Now I want to go over yesterday's benchmark. On the benchmark, I want to go over number 3. We've already spent a lot of time on distribution today with ones like number 4, but I want to bring you back to number 3. Remember, things that have the same jerseys go together, and we need to make sure we circle the symbol out in front of the number. So I'm going to circle the C's, the plus 6C and the plus 2C. Now, that's not that big of a deal. Addition doesn't matter the order. But with subtraction, it does. I'm going to put a box around the 4. Now, the 4 doesn't have anything in front of it, so we know that it's positive, correct. The 10 does have something in front of it. It has a minus. We need to make sure that that minus sign always stays in front of the 10. So when I rewrite this, it's 4 minus 10. Not 10 minus 4. It could be -10 plus 4, but It's easier just to drop it down, keep that minus in front of the 10 and write 10 minus 4. And then here we're going to bring down the plus 6c, the plus 2c, and remember, c's can't go with non-c's. I'm going to put these two together. 6 and 2 make 8c. And what does 4 minus 10 make? You better use your calculator. We don't want to get this wrong. We want to do it correctly. Negative 6. Now, what do I put between the negative 6 and the positive 8c? Well, that all depends if 8's positive or negative. If 8's positive, it's a plus, and I believe it is. Let's check our answer. Negative 6 plus 8c. Correct. One last one. Correct the error. This is the wrong answer. In order to figure out what's the correct answer, we need to do the problem, and we write the correct answer here. So I need to do the problem. I'm going to distribute. That means multiply the 3 times both pieces. 3 times 7 is 21m. And then with my dolphin jump, 3 times 5 is 15. What did they do? They forgot to multiply by the 3. They just threw the 3 up there. Remember, if you're sharing chips with some younger siblings or younger cousins, if you don't give both people chips, they get really mad. You need to share the 3 with everything in the parenthesis. Have a good day. Don't forget your passcode for the benchmark.